Hi, this is Charting Man Dan of TheChartGuys.com, home of technical analysis education. Click the link for a free week trial, no credit card required, and gain access to our multiple live broadcasts daily, community chat room, educational videos, nightly watch lists, and more. Invest in your education and future and join the community today.
Hello everyone, checking back in on gold. We're holding the middle Bollinger Band support. This is the fifth time in the past 6 days we have tested it and still holding it 1343. We can see the range is tightening. We've got our higher lows being maintained as well as our lower highs. So a break is imminent in gold and it's going to occur, if not this week, then early next week. We can see the 10-day moving average resistance has rejected the price Wednesday through Friday. That level is 1353 and a break, as I said, is coming and it will be accompanied by a volume spike. That's how it will be identified early on in the day. And I say early on in the day because what I like to do is compare the percentage of volume we have compared to the previous day. So say we see 30% of gold's total volume the previous day in the first hour of trading, we know it's going to be a high volume day. So gold on the weekly, maintaining that 10-week support, 1338.71. We consolidated and held that level the last time, set our lower high. Now we're looking to hold it again. We are on the verge of a bearish MACD cross, but that doesn't mean game over. We can see a bearish MACD cross, which quickly led to a bullish MACD cross and a very big breakout to the upside. So gold on the shorter term time frames, this 4-hour chart shows the lower highs that we've been watching along with the higher lows. We had a bullish MACD cross negated, and now we're seeing another one attempt to follow through. Need to see this support level hold for that to be the case. If we were to drop down and break 1338 support, that would be bearish in the short term. And if we were to break 1360 resistance, that would be bullish. And you can see 4 rejections on the 4-hour chart over the past couple weeks at that level. So the range is tightening. We're going to get a clear break in the somewhat near future, perhaps a week plus out. But the miners are seeing a little bit of a bearish divergence compared to the price of gold. Gold held up today while the miners saw lower lows, losing the 10-day moving average support for NUGT, but JNUG is holding that 10-day moving average support. So the junior miners have a slight bullish edge compared to regular old miners. And we're going to be watching to see if the middle Bollinger Band supports hold. And you're going to need to be watching the resistance levels from Wednesday through Friday of last week. And support is going to be the low of the consolidation. So a break of 151.80 would be a red flag for the NUGT bulls. For GDX, that level is going to be 30.06, and depending on which individual name you're looking at that consolidation low as support. So if gold were to see a bearish break, we would anticipate a bearish drop in the miners, and we're looking at dust. Dust closed right at that 10-day moving average, actually 1 penny above it, $4.99. We closed at $5 psychological resistance. So closing above its 10-day, and we can see looking at the junior miners bear, JDST, it is still having that 10-day moving average resistance. So that's the clear difference between the two. It's a very small difference, but in terms of the 10-day moving average, it is certainly significant on the daily time frame. So that's what we're looking at for gold. I appreciate you watching. We will check back in tomorrow.